Hi, welcome to the vocab T10 series for MBA and MS prep exams. Today I'm going to teach you two root words, animus and viv. Let's get started. So animus means mind, heart or spirit. The first word is magnanimous. Magna is a root word for big. So magnanimous means big-hearted, charitable, generous, kind. A magnanimous gift by the state government to the martyr's family is how you would use the word. A magnanimous gesture by the government. The second word is pusillanimous. Pusi is a root word for faint. So pusillanimous person is faint-hearted, cowardly. Fattu, empty rhetoric is a hallmark of pusillanimous leadership. तो खाली खोखला स्पीच देना, खोखली धमकी देना, empty threats देना is a hallmark of cowardly or pusillanimous leadership. The third word is equanimity. Equa is a root word for balanced or even or equal. Therefore, equanimity is even-headedness, balanced mind, calm, composure, poise. So if you can carry yourself with a certain poise during stressful situations, events, then you show great equanimity. A bravery award for acting with equanimity during the terror attack. Longanimity. I think the word is evident. The meaning of this word is self-explanatory. Longanimity. If you last long in terms of your temperament, then you show longanimity, patience, resilience, tolerance, forbearance. Success belongs to those with longanimity, long spirits. Animosity, hatred, dislike, ill will, enmity. If you must have heard of this expression, never mind, please don't mind. But if you have minded something, you have a certain animosity towards it. So if you dislike an idea, person, object, you have animosity towards it. Animosity between two countries, there are many such examples. Unanimity. Uni is a root word meaning one. Unity comes from the same root. So unanimity is one-mindedness. If the committee members have promoted someone to the post of president together with one mind, then it is a unanimous decision. So he was unanimously chosen as the president by the committee members. सभी लोगों का एक मत था, one mindedness. Animated, the third meaning of this root word was spirit. So animated is high spirited, lively, energetic. Rishi Kapoor was an animated figure, would mean that he was high spirited, lively, energetic. Which brings us to the second root word, vivacious. Viva. Viva is a root word for life. So vivacious is lively, energetic. You're already familiar with this root word. Survive, revive, bring back to life. So vivacious performance by the dancer. Convivial, an important word, very commonly seen, frequently seen. Lively, jovial, full of life, full of energy. A convivial atmosphere at the party. People enjoying food and drink. The atmosphere of the party is convivial. Miss conviviality. तो वो कॉलेज में जो सबसे फ्रेंडली और सबसे हंसमुख लड़की, जोवियल जो लड़की होती है, लड़के तो होते नहीं, लड़के तो रूड होते हैं, सो तो स्टड बनते हैं. सो मिस कॉन्विवियलिटी is a convivial being is how you would use the word. The next is vivisection. Section is a root word meaning cut. And therefore vivisection is cutting life or cutting animals for experiments, which is a moral issue. Vivisection. Viviparous. If I say that an animal species is viviparous, it gives birth to living beings rather than eggs. So cow is a viviparous animal, is how you would use the word. So these were 10 words in under 10 minutes. Keep watching for more. Subscribe to the channel. VM signing off.